It's not. It's not a flag. It's not a bee.
It's a plane.
It's a plane. It's a plane. So today, together, we will learn how to fly. Everybody, fly.
Fly.
A plane.
A plane.
Ah, yes, we will. We'll learn how to fly a plane. It's part of our New Zealand project on Let's Fly to Auckland Airport. So, we have for this 4 different jobs. Number 1, we have the mechanic.
Mechanic.
Then the pilot.
The pilot.
The traffic controller.
The traffic controller.
And the co-pilot.
The co-pilot.
Okay, so let's rehearse and use TPR on what they say to each other. Okay? Number 1, check.
Check.
The wings.
The wings.
Wings checked.
Wings checked.
Whew. 2. Check the fuel.
Check the fuel.
Fuel checked.
Fuel checked.
Number 3. Tower, can we take off?
Tower, can we take off?
Clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff.
Okay. Number 4. Okay, let's do it. Turn on the engine.
Turn on the engine.
Engine on.
Engine on.
Woo. Number 5. Ready and power.
Power.
Whoops. Number 6. More power.
More power.
And what's happening? I'm losing everything. Sorry. And so, one more time. More power.
More power.
Pull on the yoke.
Pull on the yoke.
And lift off. And that's it. We're airborne. We can fly a plane. That's amazing. But let's do it together. So, who wants to be the mechanic? Say, I want to be the mechanic.
I want to be the mechanic.
Okay, Heather is the mechanic. Who wants to be the pilot?
I want to be the pilot, please.
Okay. Who wants to be the traffic controller?
I want to be the traffic controller.
Here you go.
Thank you.
So, who wants to be the co-pilot?
I want to be the co-pilot.
There you go. So,
Thank you.
traffic controller goes right here. Mechanic goes right here.
Okay.
Pilot. And co-pilot.
Yes.
If you have sunglasses, I suggest you give sunglasses to the pilot. It gives a more realistic look. Okay, so pilot, you're gonna say, check the wings.
Check the wings. Wings checked. Check the fuel.
Fuel checked.
Fuel checked.
Tower, can we take off?
Tower, can we take off? Clear for takeoff.
Turn on the engine.
Turn on the engine.
Engine on.
Engine on.
You're the one turning on the engine. And now co-pilot, you say, power.
Power. Power.
More power.
More power. More power.
Pull on the yoke.
Pull on the yoke.
And together you say, lift off! Yes, excellent. Okay. Now the goal here, when you do a role play like this with the kids, is that, of course, they start to rehearse, maybe to know almost by heart what they have to say, the cues. You could play disappearing cards, one of our tutorials, don't hesitate to watch it. But the goal is to practice it more and more until everyone knows what to say, what to do, and how to fly a plane. Okay?
Yeah.
Are you ready to fly a plane now?
Yeah.
Perfect. Let's go to Tahiti. Bye.
Bye.